There is one touch, just one. It takes less than 3 seconds. Most men never learn it. But the men who do, women remember them for years long after the moment passes. Not because of what they said, not because of what they bought her, because of where and how they touched her. Stay with me, because by the end, you will know exactly what it is. Here's the truth most guys don't want to hear. You can say all the right words, plan the perfect date, and text her good morning every day, and she can still feel distant. Why? Because words are easy to copy. Words can be practiced in a mirror, but touch, real and intentional touch, cannot be faked. It reveals something words simply cannot hide or fake. Modern dating has a problem. Men are taught to talk more, text more, and perform more. Almost nobody teaches men how to connect physically in a way that builds real emotional trust between two people. So men end up all talk and no touch, or touch that feels rushed, awkward, or forced. When that happens, she doesn't feel connection. She feels distance, even standing right beside you. This is the gap, and it is costing men relationships they don't even understand they are losing. But here's the good news. This gap is easy to close once you understand what's happening. Let's make this simple. No lab coats, no jargon. When you touch someone with calm, gentle intention, their brain releases a chemical called oxytocin, often called the bonding hormone. Your body doesn't care about labels, though. It just knows this. Safe touch equals safety, safety equals trust, and trust equals real connection. That is the whole chain reaction happening quietly inside her. Here's the part most men miss. It's not the touch itself that builds this feeling, it's the quality of the touch. Fast, careless, or aggressive touch raises stress hormones instead of comfort. Slow, steady, present touch does the opposite. It tells her body she is safe with this person. That's the entire secret. Not tricks, not moves, just presence delivered through your hands. Now let's get specific, because there are exact places on the body where this effect is strongest. And most men never touch her there at all during a normal conversation. Most men grab a hand just to walk somewhere. Functional, fast, forgettable. Try this instead. Hold her hand like you mean it, and run your thumb slowly across her knuckles once. Then just hold it, no rush. This single motion says, I am here and I am not in a hurry to be anywhere else. Small gesture, but it carries real emotional weight. When you walk beside her through a doorway or across a street, place your hand gently on her lower back. Not pushing, just guiding calmly with steady and relaxed intention. This is one of the oldest signals of protection and confidence combined. Done gently, it says, I've got you. Done carelessly, it can feel controlling instead of comforting or safe. Cupping her cheek gently, especially before a kiss or during a quiet emotional moment, is one of the most powerful gestures there is between two people who trust each other. The face is deeply personal. Almost nobody touches it casually. When you do, softly and with full attention, it tells her she is truly seen in that exact moment. A light hand on her shoulder while she's talking about something that matters to her says something powerful. Not grabbing, just resting there, like you're absorbing her words too. This tells her, I'm listening with my whole body, not just my ears. It is one of the safest starting points for building comfort early in any relationship. Now, here's where most men go wrong, and this next part might save you from a mistake you don't even know you're making right now in your own relationships. I'm yet wrong is the first mistake. Touch before trust is built, and it feels invasive. Build a little rapport first, let a conversation breathe, then touch with confidence. Moving too fast is the second mistake. Fast touch reads as nervous or aggressive. Slow it down. Half the speed you think is natural. That's usually the correct pace. Ignoring her response is the most important mistake. Watch her body closely. Does she lean in and relax, or does she pull back and go quiet instead? Her reaction is the only feedback that matters. If she pulls away, respect that completely and keep the conversation going. Real connection is never forced, it is always offered. Touch with no presence is the final mistake. If your mind is elsewhere, she can feel it instantly. Distracted touch feels empty, but present touch feels like a genuine gift. Respect isn't the opposite of connection. Respect is connection itself. So now you know the places, the science, and the mistakes to avoid completely going forward. Here's the real payoff, the thing that changes everything once you understand it fully. The secret was never about a magic spot somewhere on her body at all. The secret is you, fully present, unhurried, paying attention to a real human being standing right in front of you. Touch is just the messenger, presence is the message. When you touch her hand and actually feel her hand, not thinking about your next move, not performing, just there, she feels something most men never give her. She feels chosen, not chased, chosen. And that feeling is what she remembers long after the date ends, long after the relationship even begins to unfold. Not because you knew a trick, but because you knew how to be present with another person, with your hands, your eyes, and your attention, all at once. That is rare, and rare is unforgettable. Here's the truth, man to man. You don't need to become smoother, you don't need better lines, you don't need to perform at all. You need to slow down. Put your phone away, look at her when she talks, and touch her like you mean it. Gently, calmly, with real and honest attention. Most men are rushing through their relationships, chasing the next text, the next date, the next milestone. The men who stand out are simply there, fully, in the moment. That's not a tactic, that's a way of living. Master this, and you won't just be remembered, you'll be missed when you're gone, and wanted whenever you're near. That's the difference between being liked and being truly unforgettable. If this video gave you something to think about, do 3 simple things for me right now. First, drop a comment below and tell me which one of these touch points surprised you the most out of everything you just heard in this video. Second, hit like on this video, because it helps this message reach more men who genuinely need to hear it and apply it in real life. Third, subscribe to this channel, because every week I break down real and respectful ways to build stronger connections with the people who matter most to you. And if you know a friend who needs to hear this, share this video with him today. Slow down, be present, be unforgettable, and I'll see you in the next one.